Hello everyone, Zach from AI Automation Elite. Today we're going to tackle setting up the credentials in N8N for Airtable and also look at how to update those credentials. Okay, let's go ahead and create a new workflow and let's add a manual trigger and then let's add an Airtable node. We'll just use create a record. So to set up a new credential in Airtable, it's super easy. First thing we want to do is come right here and say create a new credential. And we want to choose access token. And then notice it tells us right here we need data record read, write, and schema read. Let's go to Airtable. And here in Airtable on your dashboard, you want to go to your account profile up here at the top and go to Builder Hub. Next thing we do is create a new token. Let's just name this N8N test. Now we need to add our scopes. Remember, it said here data records read, write, and schema read. Okay, so we just need to find those: data record read, write, and schema read. Next we need to add a base, and you can see I have quite a few different bases. We'll just add video generator and let's create that token. Copy this and say done, and come back over to here and paste your token and save. Notice connected successfully. Great. Now we're looking at our setup here. Remember, input is information incoming. This is our setup, our settings related to the node, and this would be our output. Now we want to come right here to base and let's choose one. And you can see we have video generator, and then from this list I have a bunch of tables. I'll just pick this one for instance. So now I can go ahead and start my project. Imagine we're at the situation when we come here and we realize we connected either the wrong base or we need to add more bases. Super simple fix. Let's go back to Airtable. And here let's go to our N8N test, and we can just click on that. And right down here we can just say add a base. So let's go ahead and say, well, let's add this one as well. And when we save that and we come back over here, if you need this to refresh, we can just go back, come back into it. And now there's the new base that we have, and we have the tables available to that particular base. So super easy to update. Hope this helps. Keep automating. Have a great day. And if you're interested in more content like this, please like and subscribe. I do appreciate it. Have a great day.